Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly go through how to fix Temu can't accept invitations. So if you're having issues accepting the invitations, then some of the points that you can try to fix it, such as I will go through in this video here. So open up your Temu application. So if you're having issue accepting a link that your friend has sent you, something like that, so if the reason could be because there might be some issues with your account, your Temu account, or maybe you don't have an account yet. So what you have to do is make sure you have a Temu account. If you already have a Temu account, so all you have to do is just open up Temu and then log into your account. So if you don't have an account, you can simply download the app and then register for it. It's easy and it's free. All you need is an email address. All right, so try to register it, and then once you have done that, also make sure that your Temu app is up to date. There is no it's not outdated, it's up to date. So just check that from your Play Store or Apple Store. And then once that's done, try to log in. So after you've logged in, now try to click on the link that your friend has shared you, the invitation link, and this should now work. So always try to access it after logging in, and this once you click on the link, then it should straight away take you to the Temu through the app here. And as you have already logged in, so you shouldn't have an issue in accepting it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.